Welcome back to What Is, the channel where we unravel the world's most fascinating subjects, one question at a time. Today, we're strapping in, revving up, and diving headfirst into a question that screams speed, innovation, and a touch of glorious chaos. What is Formula One? Is it just a bunch of obscenely rich people driving circles really, really fast? Well, yes, but also no. It's an engineering marvel, a gladiatorial contest, a high-stakes chess match played at 200 miles an hour. It's pure, unadulterated passion for speed, wrapped up in a package of cutting-edge technology and human daring. To understand Formula One, we have to rewind. Long before the hybrid engines and the Halo safety device, before the global audience and the Netflix addiction, there was Grand Prix racing. Think early 20th century, daredevil drivers, rudimentary machines, and an unwavering belief that going faster was always a good idea. Races were often held on public roads, a death-defying spectacle that captured the public imagination. But with the devastation of World War II, motorsport, like much of the world, needed a reset. And so, in 1950, at the historic Silverstone circuit in England, the very first World Championship Grand Prix for drivers was held. This wasn't just a race. It was the birth of Formula One. The formula part that refers to a set of rules, the intricate specifications that all competing cars must adhere to. Think of it as a recipe for a very specific, incredibly fast cake. You needed to use certain engine sizes, certain weights, certain safety features, or lack thereof, in those early days. These rules, constantly evolving, are what define the sport. That inaugural season was dominated by Alfa Romeo and the legendary Juan Manuel Fangio, a man whose driving prowess redefined what was thought possible behind the wheel. Ferrari, a name synonymous with F1, made its debut that very same year, setting the stage for decades of fierce rivalry. The 1950s and 60s were a golden age of innovation. Picture this: small, independent teams, often run out of glorified sheds, challenging the established giants. These garagistas, as they were affectionately known, pushed boundaries with a relentless spirit. Colin Chapman, the brilliant mind behind Lotus, spearheaded revolutionary designs, pioneering aerodynamic wings and the monocoque chassis, making cars lighter and stronger. Suddenly, cars weren't just powerful, they moved through the air with a newfound purpose. From the outside, some of those early aerodynamic additions looked like they were bolted on with sheer optimism and a prayer. And sometimes they probably were. But with innovation came immense danger. Driver fatalities were terrifyingly common. In those days, a Formula One career often felt like a coin flip between glory and tragedy. Legends like Jim Clark, Graham Hill, and Johan Rindt pushed the limits, but the cost was often immense. It took brave voices, notably Jackie Stewart, to champion safety reforms that eventually transformed the sport, making it safer, though never truly safe. The 1970s brought us the era of ground effect, where cars were designed to suck themselves to the track, generating incredible cornering speeds. Imagine a giant vacuum cleaner on wheels. Only, instead of picking up dust bunnies, it's devouring lap times. It was a dizzying, dangerous, and utterly captivating period. Then came the 1980s, the turbo era. Engines became fire-breathing monsters, producing over 1,000 horsepower. These cars were brutal, requiring immense skill and bravery. This decade also gave us one of the sport's most iconic rivalries. Ayrton Senna versus Alain Prost, two titans, relentless in their pursuit of victory, pushing each other to the absolute edge, often beyond it. Their battles were the stuff of legend, a raw human drama unfolding at unimaginable speeds. The 1990s and 2000s saw a rise in electronic aids, advanced telemetry, and a relentless focus on reliability and aerodynamic perfection. Michael Schumacher dominated like no other, setting records that seemed unbreakable. F1 became a truly global spectacle, expanding into new markets, becoming more professional, more polished. Today, Formula One is a technological marvel. The cars are hybrid beasts, blending combustion engines with powerful electric motors, pushing the boundaries of efficiency and performance. We have DRS drag reduction system, which is basically a flap on the rear wing that opens to give drivers a momentary burst of speed, turning overtakes into a strategic game of chicken. We have telemetry that streams thousands of data points every second, engineers barking commands, and a pit crew that can change 4 wheels in under 2 seconds. Seriously, try doing that with your family car. I dare you. Beyond the raw speed, beyond the engineering genius, Formula One is a story. It's the annual saga of human ambition, technological evolution, and the unwavering pursuit of perfection. It's the roar of the engines, the smell of burning rubber, the heartbreak of a DNF, and the sheer elation of victory. So, what is Formula One? It's more than just a sport. It's a living, breathing history book of innovation and courage. It's a grand opera of speed, forever teetering on the edge of glorious success and spectacular failure. And that, my friends, is why we can't look away. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the adrenaline-fueled world of Formula One, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow speed demons, and subscribe to What Is for more fascinating explorations. Let us know in the comments below, what's your favorite F1 moment in history? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on What Is